Alright guys, we got the P104 100 gigabyte triple fan model. Paid 34 shipped for this with taxes. Got the classic from 2017. We got the EVGA 1063 gigabyte. It's going to be getting swapped out, and that's going to be going into storage. Got the EVGA 1660 standard from a guy on a Discord sent me these for the cost of shipping. Got a AirBoost MSI Vega 56s. Currently actually using it. And then we got back here, buried underneath these Noctua fans, the PNY CMP 70HX. Got another one of those coming. We're going to swap out this Vega, and then we got a CMP 100 210 going. That's going to swap out the 1060. So we're going to have this thing stacked pretty soon. Got a 1000 watt EVGA down there you can't really see. And then Noctua fans all over. Got it. Blowing cold air in from the outside. Newer model. Keeping it moving.